A tropical storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 85 degrees, under cloudy skies with windy conditions. Tonight, partly cloudy, low 82. On Friday, sunshine and a few clouds, high 89. On Friday night, partly cloudy skies, low 80. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour.